Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by assembling only what matters: a sturdy journal and quality sticker paper so your scenes don't warp. Once done, sort reference photos by mood and pick a limited color palette to keep cohesion. Make quick thumbnail layouts on scrap paper. This saves time and prevents wasted prints. You'll cut one scene at a time, so set scissors, a craft knife, and a cutting mat within reach. This first step gets you into making rather than planning forever. Now you design each scene with layered elements so stickers feel dimensional. Background, midground, foreground is the simplest rule. Once done, print a test on plain paper at 100% scale to check color and composition, then print onto sticker paper. Make sure to trim closely for clean edges. Use scissors for broad shapes and a craft knife for fine details on a cutting mat. As you cut, keep pieces organized by scene, so assembly as you finish by applying stickers in order. Background first, then midground, then foreground to build depth. Once aligned, press from the center outward to remove bubbles and secure adhesion. Use a bone folder or credit card for smoothness. Make sure to add a clear matte overlay or washi tape strips along seams to protect edges and unify the look. If a sticker misaligns, gently lift from one corner and reapply. If adhesive weakens, add a thin strip of double-sided tape.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.